Welcome! In today's video I'm gonna show you how to switch off the tutorials in Star Wars Battlefront II. So at first you have to open the options, then move to the gameplay and scroll down to the bottom of these settings. Here you can see the tutorial. It's showing the tutorial messages. You can switch it on or off. If you are a new player, you should switch it on and using it until you learn the game. But if you are a pro player and you know this game a lot, you can switch it off at the first you open this game. That would be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!